First, we need to assemble excavator. You're doing really great. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Ready. Dig up a basin ditch. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Excavator. Keep it up. Hooray! We have to assemble